Hey guys, my name is Matt. I am the author of Let's Talk Music. Just a little bit about me. I am a massive music fan. Um, Ever since the pandemic hit, I'm pretty bummed about there not being any live music, so that's pretty hard to grasp. But I'm hanging in there. Um, the main thing that I'm going to talk about in my blog is specifically just news related within three genres of music that I truly love, and that's rock, that's reggae, and that's hip hop. So I'm just going to be covering the news, tours, as well as bands and artists within those three genres. Um, yeah, like qualifications, I guess. I've been going to shows since I was 18. I'm now 26. So a good 8 years of just going to live events and really just diving deep into the three specific genres of music that I truly enjoy. I like all kinds of music, honestly. But just for the sole purpose of this blog, I do want to cover just three genres, just because covering a bunch of genres is quite a bit. But yeah, that's a little bit about me. Definitely, comment on my blog posts. Follow me on social media. Let's hold a conversation. Love to meet you guys. Thanks.